So over here, you can see that I have a table and a query is generated. And let's say I want to filter out the data right here by using criteria in query design in Access. So over here, you can see that skill right now has different sets. So there's advanced skill, there's basic right here, and so forth. So let's say I just want to display out the data with advanced skill sets right here. So in order to do that, first of all, when you're on the query, you need to go around onto view. So first of all, you need to use the query design in order to make this. And once you do that, over here, you can see skill is already here. And on the bottom, you can see criteria is an option. So let's say I just want to filter out with the value advanced in the query. So I'm just going to go around and type in advanced right here. So once I do that, advanced is here. So now if I were to go to view right here, only the skill sets of advanced actually appear, as you can see right here. You can go around into view, and then I'm also going to go around and type in basic now, and let's see what happens. So only the data with basic skill set actually pop up right here. What if I do this? What if I go around and add in an invalid value? Let's say, for example, super right here. So let me just add in super right here. Let's see what happens. So none of the criteria is actually matched out. So now it just shows a blank table right here. So depending on what you write right here, depending on what you write, it will filter out the data just like this. So that is how you can use the criteria inside of query design to filter out data inside of Access queries. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.